Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, drone news, and we're looking today at the Mavic 3. We're looking at the difference in megapixels in some of the photos. You either have a 16:9 when you have your wide angle photo, or a 4/3 or 4:3, whatever you want to call it. That's the true 20 megapixel photo. So if you look at these 16:9 photos that I'm gonna post right here, you can see that you're not getting the full 20 megapixels. Now look at these 4:3. You're getting the full 20 megapixels. My question to you, does it make a difference? I prefer the 16:9, but I'm not getting the full 20 megapixels. Does it make a difference? Does the photo look better in that ratio, or would you rather have the full megapixels? Does it even make a difference? Just tell me in the comments below. Again, if you like what you see on this channel, like, subscribe. We need all the subscribers we can get, all the likes we can get to keep this channel going. As always, signing out from Eye in the Sky Drones. Be safe and have fun flying.